In this Bluehost discount tutorial, we go over how to get a Bluehost coupon code saving you money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name. By following along with me in this Bluehost coupon code discount tutorial, you'll know how to save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase so you don't have to pay a higher price for your Bluehost web hosting. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to take advantage of the Bluehost discount. The discount is automatically applied. You get Bluehost hosting for as low as $1.99 a month plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You may not receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Bluehost web hosting plans page. Click the view plans button. You'll now be taken to the Bluehost plans. You'll see you'll save 83% off the basic plan, 82% off the Choice Plus plan, 72% off the online store plan, and 66% off the Pro plan. You get the basic plan for $1.99 a month. You get 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, 100 concurrent visitors, and it's ideal for 40,000 visits per month. You get the Choice Plus plan for $3.99 a month. You get 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Phone support, daily website backups free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. You get the online store plan for $7.45 a month. You get 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 500 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 200,000 website visits per month. Automated real-time backups with Jetpack and WooCommerce auto install. This plan is good if you're going to have an online store, as it comes with a bunch of extras like store analytics, secure online payments, bookings and appointments, shipping labels, product search and filtering, gift card creation, wish list, customer account customization, and sales and promotions builder by Wondercart. You get the Pro plan for $9.99 a month. You get 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 1,000 concurrent visitors, and is ideal for 400,000 website visits per month, along with everything the Choice Plus plan comes with. Once you decide on a plan to choose, click the Choose Plan button. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name for your site. You can type in and search available domains in the search field. If you click from the drop-down where you see .com, you can choose the domain extension your domain name ends in. You'll see Add Domain Privacy Plus Protection. I highly recommend keeping this selected, as it'll keep your personal information private so that spammers and telemarketers won't have access to your personal information and contact you by phone and email with offers of their services. If you select Domain Privacy Plus Protection, it'll show Bluehost default contact information instead of yours. You'll now be on the cart page. You see your hosting plan here. If you click from the drop-down, you can select the term for your web hosting purchase. You get the lowest pricing with the 12-month term. You'll see the add-ons here. If you don't want any of them, you can click the trash can icon to remove them. Click the Continue to Checkout button to proceed. You now want to input your contact information and account information. Next, choose your payment method and input your payment details. Complete your payment by clicking the Submit Payment button. That is all there is to it. Enjoy your Bluehost coupon code discount so you can save money on your Bluehost web hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Bluehost hosting tutorial videos.